Hello everyone, take headphones out, come on, be pro. Broadly at the start of the Pennine Way in the Peak District, this video, so week off work. Thought why not? I'm gonna find the highest hill I can, get some miles in for the East Highland Way, which I'm doing in October. Got some cool gear to show you, and have a couple of beers as well, and leave no trace and all that stuff. It's quite late in the evening. If that's the kind of thing you like, stay tuned. Pop the chest out, look hard. Oh, I'm struggling. So unfit, man. I'm not going to show you another walking through a gate thing, because it's just boring, isn't it? Hey bud. Some paragliders in the background there. You can't see them. Views! Woohoo! Headed just there. Whoa. Alive! Let's go back. Double danger. Why do it? Just a bit of fun. We're here. Right, we're here. Pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. It was I think 3-4 miles on paper, but it took me a lot longer. Undulating. But drop the bag off. So just gonna set up now. Just put another layer on. Just a little bit nippy. It's about 6:30 in the evening. It's quite windy, but we are set up. Bit of a slope, but fairly pleased with the pitch-ish. Could be a little bit flatter, but no, it's fine. Gonna get a little bit of rain in the morning, so I'm gonna get my stuff in, and actually heavy rain, I think. Get my stuff in and get some food on. I'm hungry, man. But that was good. Awesome walk here. Let's get going. I always forget to pull these just over. We're in. Pasta, salmon, broccoli pasta, really nice. From Summit to Eat. I like these meals. They're lightweight and they kind of fluff up quite well in terms of the pasta shapes and stuff. But we're in. I'm just going to have some food to keep me warm, which I'm halfway through, and then I'm going to crack a beer, I think. It's 4 point something, so it's not strong. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, that's lovely, lovely, lovely. Not too earthy. I like a pale. Whoa. That was mental. That was overhead. Guten Morgen. Someone once asked me what one of the best bits of kit I own. They asked me what the best bit was, and this is one of them. It's just a saviour. The old earplugs. The earplugs, they're really good, especially on nights like tonight with the rain. That was an awesome night's sleep. One of the best ones I've had. I think because I was so tired. I'm gonna get up, make a coffee. It's going to be a wet one today. Fortunately, the Trekology failed me puncture of some description. It was flat most of the night. Slept on the fleece, top tips. Sleep on your fleece. If you need some in. Grim. I'm going to get this show on the road. Really warm in there, really warm. A little bit colder outside, and it's raining. Kind of that, not heavy rain. Not as bad as I thought. I'm just gonna give the tent a bit of a wipe, just to make it lighter and look after the material as I'm headed somewhere else. Awesome tent, that one. First real kind of heavy rain test and held up really well. No condensation either. Well vented, even though 4 seasons, so the sides go right down to the ground. They are tapered. I made a video on this. I'll put a card up, but so it allows airflow underneath. So no, that was really good. Leave no trace of. What else to say? Gave it a wipe. It's a bit wet. It's going to sit in my car because we're off to the Lake District now. So it's going to be the next one. So stay tuned for that. It was super warm inside because the sides go all the way to the ground. It was really cozy. So nice to be cozy and not worry about all the moisture inside the tent. Obviously raining outside, or it was, so I had to wipe it down. And we're all waterproofed up. I've got the North Face Quest jacket on, Trusty, and Berghaus trousers. Bit of a scramble getting up here, which was fine. And actually we're starting to open up a bit in terms of the mist is clearing and burning through. I have a bit of a lie-in, to be honest. I slept really, really well. That is incredible. It's a giant, like, gorge. It's amazing. Really windy. Exposed edge. Let's get down. Right, guys, I'm gonna call this one. Thanks for watching. Like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you're new. See you on the next one. Cheers. Take care.